Hi everyone, we will discuss about separator argument in Python. Uh, it is available in print function. Now we will discuss this separator, how it works, and by default value of the separator argument is space, and this is available in only 3.x. Now let me write one small program, print. I will say something like a comma, then b, no, then c. Okay, I will run this. See, you can able to see without comma. So the result is displaying here. And I will going to introduce the separator now. Nothing but what exactly it's what you can able to understand here is nothing but separator will going to provide the spaces for each character. Now I will introduce the separator here, that is SCP, that is equal to, okay, single quotes. Now see, if I mention manually separator into the print function, without space, your result is appearing here. If I don't include means with space, your result will come like A space, B space, C, like that. Okay, that is the use of, we will call it as soft space. This is, we will call it as soft space. Okay, disabling the soft space. Okay, where we can able to use, for example, we can use for formatting data, something like this. Print. Let's take date is August 15. Okay, 08. Sorry, 08. No, 15. 1947. So this one. So this is the date. We can modify in this way. You can see now sub that is equal to. Now see here, I will put dash here. Now please see the result. Okay, so what we are getting 15/8, 1947. So like this, we can able to modify the results. Okay, that's why separators plays a good role over here. So that is one reason. Okay. Now, for example, if you want it, we can go with the one more example. I will give you print. Okay. Let's take anything. Some take this. David. Okay, David. Fine. That I will say, what is that? gmail.com. Okay. So this one, I am going to separate with the @ symbol. Now, wherever you will going to find comma, there it will going to be, you will going to find the @ symbol. See, david@gmail.com. So this is the one reason we are using. Thank you.